Hello team, welcome to QPoint. In previous class we will discuss about a span tag in a HTML. In today's video we will discuss about a anchor tag in a HTML. The HTML anchor tag defines a hyperlink that links a one page to another page. The hrefs attribute is used to define the address of the file to be linked. In other words, it points to the destination page. Okay, this is about an introduction to the anchor tag. Next is a syntax. The syntax consists of an anchor, then href attribute, and inside the href attribute we have to mention the path of the link page. Then we have to give any text here. Okay, let's discuss about an example of a anchor tag. Here in body tag I took one paragraph. Inside a paragraph I have written a welcome to QPoint website. I will apply anchor tag to welcome to QPoint, that is QPoint website only. Here paste it. It is consist of one attribute, that is href attribute. Inside this attribute we should paste the destination page address. I am taking a destination page, that is qpoint.com. Copy this and paste it in a href attribute. Okay, save this and open it with the web server. Here we got this as a welcome to QPoint website. In this the link text is QPoint website, and clicking on it, it will take the user to the website specified in a href attribute. Now I will click on it. It will take to the QPoint website. Now it is opened in a one tab. It in a same tab only. If you want to open it in a new tab, then we should specify another attribute, that is a target attribute. Here I should give a blank, then save this, open it with the live server. Here click on this, it is opened in a new tab. Okay, this is about the target attribute, and we can specify href attribute without giving a address. Okay, we should give a hash. Then save this, open this with the here. In this case, clicking on it, the link won't navigate to the new page, but it might be useful for the triggering the JavaScript events or handling the other actions on the same page. This is all about the anchor tag in a HTML. In next class, we will discuss about a image tag in a HTML. If you want to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can visit our website, follow our website, that is qpoint.com. Thank you.